Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a really quick video and it will be the unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. This is a 256GB one and yeah bro, let's hear this. Oh Jesus Christ bro, holy crap, that actually sounds amazing. Oh, check out this thing. I don't like the triple camera design, just saying, because yeah, it looks like a freaking spider and it looks like a shaving. Holy shit. Holy shit, bro. Oh my god. Oh, that is one amazing phone. Okay, now let's see what else is in here. Just some legal shit and AirPods, lightning cable, and ooh, jeez, what is this? Is this the fast charging brick? Fuck, I don't know. Oh well guys, I'll run through the setup with you and I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, I realized I was recording in 720p, but it's alright. I won't do the plastic ripping, because it isn't necessary. And yeah, although I love the sound. Apple boot logo. Okay guys, now it is time to do the remarkable thing called one hand filming and one hand trying to pop out the SIM card slot. Yeah, there we go. Ooh, there we go. That's coming out and that's going in. How does this work? Okay. Oh, you're finally doing it this way, Apple. Or were you doing it this way the whole time? Nah. Oh, well. Yeet. Oh well, now let's just wait until it reads. First things first, I'm gonna have to do it in Chinese because, yeah. Just press that. I'm going to... yeah, that's enough. Just go forward. Connect to my Wi-Fi. Just do that real quick. Oh. There was some flicker there. Well, that is gonna get me some bad reviews. I'm just kidding. Face ID. I'll do it later. Password.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, right now I'm gonna go do a backup thing, so I'm going to restore this beautiful iPhone 11 Pro Max into another backup, and then I'll see you guys after it. Thanks.